Rawr. Your mission assignment today is to create your very own animal using some modelling clay. Or you could use some junk materials. Have a really good think about the type of animal that you would like to make. And of course its different features. You could use some pictures of your animal to help you create your model. If I were making a model of a lizard, I'd need to think about its features. I know that it's got 4 legs, it's got 2 eyes and a long body. It's also got a tail. Here's a lizard that's been made using the modelling clay. It's got a light green modelling clay for its body and some dark green creating the spots along its back. Using some junk modelling materials, I've used some tin foil here and painted it brown. And then I've used some cocktail sticks to make the spikes of a hedgehog.
And find inspiring lessons, ideas and planning at developingexperts.com.